G'day, guys. I just wanted to show you this fairly casually. The results from Christian Media and Arts Australia. They ran a workshop up in Brisbane for like 16 to 25-year-olds looking to be upcoming musician artists themselves. They had a number of people from the industry already who they ran a free workshop event. Um, and so the this is the asset that they provided here. Some of the artists there, and in terms of the actual join, free artist workshop, register now. We were able to make that, and then the click-through URL actually took them to the booking page for Humanitics. So that's what the ad kind of looked like. And in terms of the results it produced, so we spent a total of $250 on the platform itself. And in terms of what it produced, uh, we have 31,000 people sort of in the impression pool. So they were the total amount of people in that geographical area, in that age gap that we were targeting. And then the reach, in terms of how many people actually listened to our ad, 21,000. And the ad frequency, most people got it between 1 and 2 times. Completion rate was really high. And the clicks, how many people actually clicked on the Humanitics link, the book now? 246. So for $250, 246 clicks. And that doesn't actually accommodate in the actual ad itself. We said, if you want to have more information, head to mediaarts.org. And so we weren't able to set up the pixel due to their back end issues. And so it might have actually been more clicks than that, but that's as far as we could track. And so the click-through rate is pretty good considering all things. And what we can actually see here is we'll firstly look at the impression reach. And so we ran this for 12 days. And so we're running it here, and we made a couple of changes to the way that which we wanted to present the ad to people and who we wanted to target. Significantly boost up the impressions and the reach, and therefore also the clicks as well. Getting closer to the date, we can see that more people were actually keen because we're like, oh, it's a week away, that kind of thing. So it was a really, really great result for them. In terms of the average CPM, so cost per mile, which means cost per thousand reach, just under $8. So really cheap for getting out in front of 1,000 people. Cost $8, super cheap. And the budget spent mostly, you can see it tracks similar to the reach we were getting in terms of how the actual budget was spent. And in terms of the audience, so exactly who we wanted to reach was exactly who we got. So 16 to 25-year-olds. And in terms of the gender split, interestingly, 55 women and 37% men, or the rest is just unset or non-binary. In terms of the genre of the actual people listening, so a lot of people were in the other genres. So that probably includes the Christian artists as well. And then teenagers listening to pop and hip hop. That kind of makes sense to me. Then the actual platforms themselves that they were using, mainly iPhone, Android, and interestingly, still 25%, almost a quarter of people listening to Spotify on the desktop. And in terms of the placement, we only wanted it on music, so that's what they got. And so ad completion was really, really high, and all in all, it was a really fantastic result for such a tight timeline as well. 246 clicks for $250. Go. Have a great day.